Hello kids! Today, Laura will show you her watercolor painting.
I'm sorry we didn't find anything else. Not to worry. The good thing is you finished digging out
This
all
seems to
for
be a
us.
spider.
Beautiful,
Look at the head
Grandpa.
and the
Lovely natural
feet.
pond. And to finish it off, a note. You like it, Mr. Rabbit?
Wow!
I never thought I would see
Yeah.
one in my lifetime.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the water
Now Laura
slide.
will continue her drawing. She will convert this to a different type.
George has lost Mr. Dinosaur again.
Oh dear, George could have lost Mr. Dinosaur anywhere. We've been to so many places
Saan ka
today.
makikita yun?
Went to the shops, to the playground, to the pub.
Oh well, Mr. Dinosaur is lost forever then.
Don't worry, George. Somebody would have found Mr. Dinosaur.
Yes, and when people
Laura
find
started
lost
by
things,
putting
they
additional
take
green
to the
colors.
police station.
So that's where Mr. Dinosaur will be. This is the police station. Here are police officers scribbled into police work.
Next, Laura will be mixing all other colors to create a new one.
Like donuts. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
That is how the police say hello.
Oh dear, she's a left-handed and certainly an artistic one.
Dinosaur.
Don't worry, George. I'm sure you'll find your dinosaur.
All you've got to do is keep your ears and eyes open.
Actually, we were hoping some kind person might have found George's toy dinosaur and brought it here.
I see.
We'll need to question George. He's just routine.
Please describe your dinosaur in your own words.
Take your time.
Use as many words as you like.
She will now apply the last color red and start doing the next phase.
Some lost dinosaurs in the back. Follow me.
Wow! What a
Wow,
stuff! Yes, it's amazing the things people
you will be surprised.
Pirate treasure. Yes, pirates are always forgetting where they buried their treasure.
people dig the treasure.
Applying the last touches, and yes, this is finished.
Bring the treasure here. Fully finished.
Let us see. Wow, beautiful.
Wow, this is
Yes,
the
this is a bird resting in a tree branch. Very good.